So, you're looking for the best printer to use at home or in the office. There's so many options, but very few comes close to the Canon TS704 CD printer. This bad boy is perfect for your home or small office. It's compact and it's stylish, so it will not take too much space. Now, it has all the connectivity options you need: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the Canon Print Hub, which makes it easy for you to print with either your phone or your tablet. Amazing, right? Now, this printer is also impressive when it comes to quality. It churns out sharp, vibrant colors like a boss and gets things done. It can also print on CDs and DVDs. Now, if you're looking to make personalized discs for your project, this is a printer for you. Performance-wise, this printer is fast and efficient. It's quick, it prints fast, and it has automatic two-sided printing, which saves your time and saves paper. Setting up this printer is so easy and user-friendly that it's too good to be true. In conclusion, guys, if you need something that is ideal for your office or your workspace, that gives you top-notch, versatile, reliable printing on different platforms, both paper and CD, the Canon TS704 CD printer is your best option. So get it right now. Now, if you want to get it, visit our website www.lansken.com or visit our social media handles. Lansken will always seek to inspire you tomorrow and ensure that you stay productive at all times.